Hello everyone, Maddie here with another WI&M Railway update. So June 23rd, 2025 was the official start of operations. We ran our very first train of empty centerbeam cars that day. Now, this video is obviously posted quite a number of weeks later. Things have not gotten any less busy, less crazy since then, so sorry, this is what you get. But yeah, we're finally up and running. We have filed with the FRA that we are in service. We brought in 19 empties the other day. Now, because there is the rule of prohibition of the use of personal electronic devices while on duty, that includes not only cell phones but also cameras and video recorders as well, I wasn't able to film any footage on the day of. I have to say though, for being someone who has spent most of her life being the one holding the camera, to be the one in the viewfinder was a very, very different, but a very satisfying and a very welcome change, and one that I can definitely get used to here. Anyways, what I'm going to do here is, in the video description, I have linked several videos here on YouTube that you can go and watch to see the operations of the first day. Special shout out to the very first one, Dan S. He's a good friend of ours, and he got not only the movement of the empty center beams in, but also he got some ballast dumping operations that occurred after we moved the center beams. So as of the making of this video, we have not yet loaded up and sent out our first loaded center beams, but that should be happening pretty darn soon here. So stay tuned, and if you find yourself in the area, get a hold of me and see what's going on, and who knows, we might be running something. So, but the day has finally come, we're finally here, we are up and running, and we are officially in service now. So all these years of hard work have finally paid off. Definitely a dream come true for me. Anyways, check out the videos linked below, and have a good one. Thanks.